Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby. First of all, I want to apologize for the way I look. I've been stirring pounded yam. Yes, I've been stirring. You really don't even want to see the back of my shirt right now. Like, I'm sweaty, I'm a bit. I just wanted to quickly make this video to tell you guys what I think about the whole thing. So a couple of days ago, I saw two videos on YouTube of pounded yam being made using a blender. So I decided to try it today. And first of all, I need to tell you, if you want to try this thing, it is a lot of work. Like, you are going to have to stir. Like, don't wear wig and be stirring. No, you will have to remove the wig and stir this thing, because you'll be sweating like a Christmas goat. Anyways, so you have to be ready to exercise your arm. You'll be stirring this thing seriously. Anyway, so that one is one. And it didn't turn out good for me. Like, it had a little bit of texture in it. I'll show you everything in the video. It didn't turn out well. You might try it and it will turn out perfect. Maybe it's the yam I used, or maybe I didn't follow I know I followed the exact step they both followed. They both used, but mine didn't turn out the way they said it turned out for them. So if you know any tips or tricks I can use to remake this entire process, please let me know. Leave it down below, leave it in the description box, and I'll definitely check it out. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and share my video. I'll see you in the video. Bye for now. First thing I did was to add my diced yam into a blender, and I added a little bit of water just to allow the blade of the blender roll properly. I actually left it in the blender for a little while so that it will become as smooth as possible, but at the end of the day, it still wasn't the way I wanted it to be. Anyway, so after blending, I poured it into this pot. This pot is a non-stick pot. It's good to use pots like this, because even if your food burns and all that stuff, it's always very easy to wash. So I poured it into my non-stick pot and I started stirring. This process is a very hectic one. Like, you cannot turn your pounded yam a little bit, then rest, go and sit down, come back again and continue stir. You can't do that. You have to stay there all through the entire process. So just get ready to exercise your arm. Anyways, so I kept on stirring and stirring. If I had actually put the entire footage of me stirring this thing, trust me, this video would have been more than 30 minutes long. That is how long it took me to finish this entire process, and I didn't even end up eating the thing because it wasn't good. Anyway, so after stirring and stirring, I added a little bit of water. When it became thick, I added a little bit of water to make the yam cook through properly. So I covered it, and a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes later, I came back and I continued stirring. And you know the usual now, you put it in a plastic bag and put in your cooler or something. Yeah, so that is what I saw in the videos that I watched, and I followed the exact same steps. And this is what I got. They said their oil was perfect, this one, that one, but mine didn't come out great. So if you have any tips and tricks, please leave it in the comment section and I will check it out. Maybe make another video or something. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, and also leave your comments down below. I'll see you in another video. Bye.